Hey guys, it's Arnold, and today I'm going to show you how to make a mask, just like that. What you're going to need is a pair of scissors, a bandana, and a marker. It would be like a different color than the color of your mask. So if you want a blue mask, you're going to need to get a red marker or a yellow marker or a green marker. So anyway, what you're going to need is a bandana. Here, I have a full one. It's a different color though. So, just a regular bandana. And then, what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to decide where your mask is going to end. So, let's say about here. Right there. So what you're going to do then is you're going to make a line on it and draw it up. I would say about 5 inches or so. I'm not sure. Hold on 1 second. Let me see how many inches my mask is, because anyway, I don't have the ruler here with me. So I'm not sure, like about 4 inches. And then you're going to need to put that, it's like basically a blindfold after you cut it. And then you're going to need to put that on your face. And then you're going to feel around with for your eyes. And that's where you're going to draw the circles. So then what you're going to do is you're going to bend it, start cutting the eye circles out. And as you can see, some errors were made here with the green marker. So I'm just going to put that in the inside. And then, after you cut that, you're basically done and you have your mask. What you do, just put it on, tie it to the back, and you're all done. So, again, you need a bandana, scissor, and probably a ruler. I don't think you're going to need a ruler. And a marker to make your very own mask. Well, thanks for watching, comment, and subscribe. See ya.